Information tonight about a shooting at a West Side daycare. A warrant has just been issued for Christopher Justice, and we know more about the legal circumstances surrounding that case. Right now, victim Shirley Justice is still listed in critical condition, and the search is on for her ex-husband. Derek Thomas has that story.
33-year-old Christopher Justice is still on the run, but there is no escaping the reality that his ex-wife, Shirley Justice, was seriously wounded in a flurry of bullets in their KinderCare parking lot. But what happened inside the courtroom of Judge Patrick McCarty might hold some clues as to why the shooting occurred.
This rule is referred to as the lazy judge rule, and nobody wants to be known as the lazy judge.
On February 10th, McCarty issued this ruling granting Christopher Justice full and sole custody of a couple's 6-year-old daughter. Shirley refused to give up the child. She had filed a petition invoking Trial Rule 53.2. Judges have 90 days to rule on a case.
As it turns out, the judge did issue a ruling and issued that ruling about 2 hours after she filed her petition. But at that point, there is reason to think that the judge really no longer had authority to rule on the case, and therefore the order would be void.
That likely incensed Justice and may have led to the shooting. He had prior domestic violence episodes and had completed a 26-week court-ordered education for batterers. Folks at Coburn Place say in the fight against domestic violence, judges must be ever vigilant.
Judges should be trained, and I know that they are required to receive continuing education, and I think one of the continuing education focuses ought to be on domestic violence and how there are serious ramifications to not handling a situation in an appropriate manner. I'm not saying that this situation wasn't. I don't know all the details.
There is Derek Thomas reporting, and this information just into the RTV6 newsroom. The Indiana Supreme Court has now named a new judge to handle the custody case.